Denise B here with Whimsy Stamps, and today I have a very special card for you. Today is Denise's birthday. Denise is the owner of Whimsy Stamps. So if you guessed that we're making a birthday card, you are right. So for this card, I am going to be using this stamp set, and this is the Camp Critters. I'm going to be using this image right here. You could also do the party heart, it's your birthday, and then this one I'm actually going to use that it's your birthday and party heart as well, but I'm not gonna use him. I'm gonna use this one right here. I think he's so cute, he's hilarious, but I'm gonna use that one. And then I'm gonna be using this paper pack. It's the Slimline paper pack, and this is the Enchanted Forest. And from this, I'm gonna be using this one right here. I will be using this purple Bouquet Bliss from the Bouquet Bliss 6x6 paper pack as well. This paper pack is amazing, you guys. It's so good. I'm gonna be using the OMG die from the OMG Word Die set, just the OMG. And then I'm gonna be using this banner right here, and this is from the Slimline Bunting Border die. Let's go ahead and get started. So here I have stamped my image and sentiment, and for this I use Memento Tuxedo Black ink because we're gonna color with alcohol markers and I don't want my ink to smear or anything. So make sure that you check over here. It's where I'm putting each color that I'm using to color this little guy. So let's go ahead and color him. I am going to speed through this part and I'll see you at the end. This is how it turned out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fussy cut around it and cut my sentiment and come back and show you. Okay, so here I have my image, my sentiments. I'm gonna put this aside as we're gonna add them to our card at the end. So with the OMG die, with the outline one, I have cut it in a glitter cardstock, and with the bouquet cardstock or the bouquet paper, pattern paper from Whimsy, I cut the letters. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue this together and come back and show you. Okay, so here is my OMG. I'm gonna set that aside, and then I have cut from the banners. I cut a purple one and a silver one, And what I want to do here is that I'm only going to add one of these. So I'm going to cut right there, and I am going to intercalate in between silver, purple, silver, purple, silver, purple. Let's go ahead and do that. I am going to speed through this part, but you'll be able to see what I'm doing. This is how it turned out. It's so cute. I love it. Now let's put our card together. So here I have my pattern paper that I have put on a card base that is black cardstock, and with my Burley Art glue I am going to adhere some of the pieces, and I think my image is going to be with the Burley Art cubies that you can get from the Whimsy stamp shop, and everything is linked down below. I'm going to speed through this part and I'll see you at the end. And this is how my card turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you wish in the comments down below a happy birthday to Denise, and I will see you next time.